Vi ska få lite middagsgäster ikväll. Jag hoppas de kommer att tycka om maten. Vi
means we, pronounced.
vi.
It's the first person plural pronoun, referring to the speaker and potentially others. It's a subject pronoun, indicating who is performing the action.
Ska
Means will or are going to. Pronounced.
ska.
It's an auxiliary verb, helping to form the future tense. It indicates a planned or intended action.
Få
Means to get or to receive. Pronounced.
få.
It's the infinitive form of the verb, but here acts as the main verb in the future tense construction with
Ska lite.
means a little or some. Pronounced.
Lee-teh.
It's an indefinite pronoun, modifying.
Middagsgäster. Middagsgäster.
Means dinner guests. Pronounced.
Middags-ges-ter. Middag.
Mid-dahg means dinner, s, is a possessive suffix, and ger means guests.
Ikväll.
Means tonight. Pronounced.
Ikväll.
It's an adverb of time, specifying when the dinner guests will arrive.
Ja.
Means I. Pronounced.
Yang.
It's the first person singular pronoun, indicating the speaker. It is the subject of the second sentence.
Hoppas.
Means hope. Pronounced.
Hoppa.
It's the present tense form of the verb.
To hope. Dom.
Means they. Pronounced.
Dig.
It's the third person plural pronoun, referring to the dinner guests.
Kommer.
Means will or come. Pronounced.
Kommer.
This is part of the future tense construction, indicating that the guests will perform the action of liking the food.
Att.
Means to. Pronounced.
Att.
This is an infinitive marker, connecting the verb
Tycka.
to the following object.
Tycka.
Means to think or to like. Pronounced.
Tycka.
It's an infinitive verb, here in its infinitive form with
Att.
It describes the opinion of the guests.
Om.
Means about or of. Pronounced.
Om.
It's a preposition indicating the object of the liking.
Maten.
Means the food. Pronounced.
Maten.
It's the definite form of the noun,
Mat.
meaning food. Putting it together.
Vi ska få lite middagsgäster ikväll. Jag hoppas de kommer att tycka om maten.
Means, we are going to have some dinner guests tonight. I hope they will like the food. It's a simple, everyday sentence expressing a common situation and hope.